Good morning and welcome to JK News Network. You are listening Morning Bulletin with Bushra Naseem. Here we bring the updates from India and all over the world. So let's look over the top coverage. Jharkhand Corona update. According to the report, yesterday in Jharkhand, 473 Corona positive patients were confirmed, including 130 from Ranchi, 30 from Bokaro, 6 from Chatra, 23 from Devgarh, 28 from Dhanbad, 3 from Dumka, 57 from East Singhbhum, 57 from Garhwa, 10 from Giridih, 9 from Godda, 9 from Gumla, 18 from Hazaribagh, 7 from Jamtara, 2 from Khoti, 10 from Kodarma, 3 from Lethar, 18 from Lohardaga, 19 from Palamu, 32 from Ramgarh, 5 from Sahibganj, 3 from Sarikela, 22 from Simtega, in which the total positive cases were 95,425 and 6,543 are the active cases, in which 88,058 are cured and 824 died. So yesterday 4 patients died due to corona. A result of the NEET examination for medical studies had been released on Friday. Shoaib Aftab, a resident of Odisha, has won the NEET examination this time. 18 years old boy Shoaib Aftab has made the history by scoring 720 marks out of 720. He has become the first student of Odisha to get the first place in the examination. Finance Minister writes to states explaining Rs 1.1 lakh crore borrowing window for the meeting GST shortfall. In New Delhi, a day after the centre agreed to borrow Rs 1.10 lakh crore on behalf of the states for meeting GST shortfall, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Friday reached out to all states explaining the contour of the special window. The finance minister letter to the states come 4 days after the GST counselling meeting failed to reach a consensus of the stalemate over the centre's proposal of the states borrowing against the future GST collection to make up for the shortfall. We have now worked out some key aspect of the special window based on suggestion of the many states. It has now been decided that the central government will initially receive the amount and then pass it on the back-to-back of the state as loans. BJP Mandal Vice President shot head in UP's Firozabad. Bharatiya Janata Party DK Gupta has been killed in Uttar Pradesh, Firozabad. According to the report, the BJP leader was peppered with a bullet by a bike horn assailant. DK Gupta was the Vice President of BJP's Firozabad Mandal. As per a report in Umar Ujala, the incident occurred at 8 p.m. on Friday and the attackers fled the spot after the firing. IPL 2020 highlights. Mumbai Indian vs Kolkata Knight Riders. Mumbai Indian crushes Kolkata Knight Riders by 8 wickets. In Abu Dhabi, the Mumbai Indians rolled on unbatted as they record their 5th straight win with an 8-wicket mauling on Kolkata Knight Riders in IPL 2020 on Friday. A tight bowling efforts by the Mumbai Indians ensured that the Kolkata Knight Riders were restricted to 148 for 5 after an unbeaten 53 by the piece spread Pat Cummins. Then the defending champion rode on blistering 44 balls by 78 the Deacock to chase down the target with 3.1 over to spare. So that's all for today. For more updated news, stay connected with JK News Network. Thank you.